get that. That's the beauty. So finally, guys, welcome back to the second channel. Well, this was supposed to be the third one, but as I mentioned earlier, my GoPro ditched me. So we have the new setup ready already, and I still need to work on it, but it's lovely, better than what we had before. So last journey I did, the last journey I did was Kildare village. Country routes, amazing ride, night time, lonely roads. You can imagine the beauty of those rides. So today also we are going to a small county near Drogheda. So after 300 kilometers, finally got a chance to refill the petrol in this beauty. So this one is for U-turn. I stood in the wrong line. Sometimes it happens. I'm just trying my best, guys. So with this setup, I think I will rearrange everything again. So in this I have to take the turn from the third roundabout. So first, second and third. Still this setup is a bit stuffy with the mic because I'm not able to hook the mic properly inside the helmet till now, but still I got this. So this time we're using DJI 5 Pro and the mic 2 wireless. So it's a very initial and big upgrade at the moment for the voice, because last time when I did the testing with the earbuds, oh, that was really bad. Because I was only able to hear the voice from the one side. That was totally disappointing. Fortunately, while going to the destination, the weather is quite good at the moment. I don't know while coming back. For the safety, I'm carrying a pair of gloves, and the heating is set for the crisp for at one temperature lowest. So it's little bit warm, not frosty, and the temperature is again at 8 degrees Celsius. And this place, I have legit memories. This is the place where I got my bike from. So the showroom is just behind that building. Some legit memories for this beauty. Still, for naming the beauty, I'm still waiting to complete my first 600-700 kilometers, so I know its power, preciseness, and based on that the name will be originated. Again, the main goal is not to enter the motorway, so we'll be taking the country roads. So there will be many red lights, many speed limits which we have to follow eventually. but nothing is stopping us. Dublin Airport Logistics Park, so it feels like we are somewhere near airport at the moment because we have Dublin Airport Logistics Park, which is all about carrying containers and shipments. This is my idea. What is the reality, God knows. Okay, so we have to take right, but we have to stop. See, no one is coming. Indicators check, and yeah, good to go. Last time when I was going to Kildare, the roads were like this only. That was some legit entertainment in the night time. Just look at it now. Daytime in these roads. So there's something actually which always brings me to this place, Drogheda. I don't know what connects me to this place, but yeah, I'm always here for some reason. Oh, so that particular statue you see, last time it was Skull Guy on the Halloween. Now they have made him Santa Claus. That is what we call renovation with time, right? This guy. Like I know this place like now almost well. You There is a bus stop. If we go right, we have done so over there. We have Moonlight Cafe. Man, these memories for this place. But it's always Drogheda. Meter. I remember last time we were in Drogheda, we finished our video here with the sunset, and it was beautiful. So finally we have reached our destination Cloggerhead, and we are just few miles away from to make the final stop. At the moment we completed approximately 60 kilometers ride, full country road. This is where our final destination take us today. And if there's a coffee shop, that would be nice, really nice. But I don't think this is a tourist destination. So this is our final destination. Let's take a U-turn. And then we will see where to go. So this is the destination. We are in right now. So let's take a stop and take a break, then we'll return back. So we have reached the destination. It's a nice point. Enjoying the coffee. Believe me, I don't need something else after reaching the destination. Let me show you how does it look like. So that's the whole destination in the back area. That's lovely, right? So at the particular moment I am still doing some test and runs with the mic setup. We got this beautiful beauty with us. I will do some testing how the recording is, how the final things are going on, and based on that I'll be working more on it, because there's always hidden price in life. With that note, I'll enjoy my coffee and I'll see you next time. So at the moment मैं थोड़ा दूर से खड़े होकर बात कर रहा हूँ, धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है, but it's worth it. So I think I'm excited about new upcoming events which I want to talk about at the moment. I'm planning to do a lot of things, upgrade, upscale my content creation, and also a way to connect with you guys more, because it's time for volume 2. In volume 1 in India, as you guys all know, we drove our beautiful Royal Enfield, also known as Rorak, but this thing didn't got its name yet, and I'm disappointed. But yeah, like, I need something which I can connect to, right? That is more important. So yes, as soon as we finish our coffee right now, we'll head back. And just to let you know, there will be more stuff coming up. I'm thinking to not only do the motor vlogging, also like tell you how I'm getting my specs done, what else specifications I'm looking into, what is my plan with the gears, my helmet setup, like every detail. Because like setting up a helmet, it's like a task, and doing it professionally is like at its best. So yeah, that's my future plans for now. So every week I'll be taking some time, definitely, just to give off some content regarding anything which I feel about, and I'm actually happy about it. So for future travels, see ya. It's time to head off back to home. Destination, start, enter address, go. So we have to ride back 60 kilometers. Reaching time 4:40. That means जब तक हम पहुँचेंगे हल्का सा अंधेरा हो चुका होगा. Now I'm actually getting comfortable, you know. I'm getting that vibe now. I can feel it. चले, let's go. Here we. So this is Drogheda from inside. Just look at the roads, man. I love these roads more than Dublin. They have like this feel in the city. I think if I'm gonna shift somewhere, Drogheda it is. I love Cork also, but I'll go to Cork also. So to stop in this kind of steep, rear brake on, clutch on, avoid the front brake. If I have to totally stop, then I'm using my rear brake, otherwise little bit of front brake in order to stop and go, which is happening here. And with this bike, one thing I've learned is never use a front brake while taking a turn. It's hard and you want to stop when you are taking turn, then it will go down. That's one thing I've learned with this bike. With my previous bike it was very smooth to do that, but now with this it's a beast, it's a titan.